I'm currently at the Inkscape homepage, which is located at inkscape.org. On this page, we can do things like check out the Inkscape forums, take a look at some tutorials, and learn how we can support the development of Inkscape. To download the latest version of Inkscape, we can go to the Download menu and choose Current Version. At the time of recording this video, the current version is 1.2.1. I recommend using version 1.2.1 or above during the course because earlier versions could have bugs that'll cause problems when trying to follow along with the videos. Here we can choose which operating system we're using, Windows for me. Then we can choose our system architecture, 64-bit for me. And finally we can choose which installer format we want to download. If you already have a previous version of Inkscape installed and you don't want to replace it, you can download this compressed archive format here, which will allow you to run this version of Inkscape directly from the download folder. Otherwise, we can just choose either exe or MSI. I'll go with exe. It will then take us to this page, and the download will begin automatically. And once it's finished downloading, we can open the file to begin the installation. When we open the installer, it brings up a setup wizard. We can click Next, and here we can choose whether or not we want to add Inkscape to the system path. This is really only necessary if we're planning to use Inkscape through the command line, so I'll just leave mine on Do Not Add. We can also check this box to add a shortcut to Inkscape on the desktop. Next we can choose where we want to save Inkscape. Then we can choose whether or not to create a Start menu folder for Inkscape. And finally we can choose which components of Inkscape we want to install. Unless you're very familiar with all of this already, I recommend just leaving it on the full installation for this course. And now, because I already have this version of Inkscape installed on my system, I won't click the Install button, but once you do, Inkscape will be installed and you'll be able to open it. Okay, and I'll see you on the welcome screen in the next video.